Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Today I start at 5:30 and finish by 2 o'clock. Yeah, John and Charlene, they are back to Canberra. And so basically, after the wedding, they stay one night in Canberra. And then went to, yeah, they come here in Nelson Bay. And I stay with them in the Oak Pacific Blue Hotel for one night. And then they went to Gold Coast. They stayed there for a few nights. And then they fly to Cairns. They stayed for a few days in Cairns with the relatives. And they said that in Cairns, it's like yeah, the climate of the Philippines, of Southeast Asia. The temperature is rainy and hot. So the people that they meet there, they said that yeah, they moved to Cairns because they like the temperature, they like the weather in Cairns. They don't like the cold place like Canberra or Melbourne or Sydney. And then after Cairns, they fly back to Gold Coast. They stay there for a few nights. And yeah, and then they drive all the way through here in Nelson Bay. And then we stay in one very nice hotel. And yeah, I stay with them. Yeah, and then they stay in my apartment for 2 nights. I sleep in the floor and they sleep on my bed. And yeah, this morning they went back to Canberra. And then during that 3 days of stay here, I toured them around Nelson Bay, Shoal Bay, and yeah, and the beautiful places around here. And of course it is Charlene who is driving, because she's the only one who knows how to drive. After oh, this is how it is at the moment. There are a few people down there. Oh no, we are going home now. I'm not going to the town center anymore. Oh, I realized that the Inigo is inviting me to come with him to watch movie somewhere in I don't know. I don't really watch movie. I don't really like, but it's okay. Okay, we are home. Yeah, I am very excited to come home because I'm hungry and we have so many food here this time. If you remember, Charlene cooked delicious food last night. Yeah, Charlene and John, they cook it. Yeah, go first for the yeah, this noodles and chicken. This already left over, but yeah, this is delicious. We ate this last night and very delicious. Yeah, very delicious. And John and Charlene, they are the one who usually prepare the food. Similar to Inigo, Inigo is the one who is preparing the food. Similar to the other friends before when I was in Dubai. They are the one who is preparing the food. And yeah, I'm usually the one who wash the dishes. But in here, while Charlene and John was here, they are the one who do everything. Yeah, I was just on my computer. They don't want me to do the things. Okay, it is now 3:30 and Inigo is outside waiting for me. Yeah, I think we're going to Newcastle again. I was in Newcastle yesterday with with John and Charlene. Inigo is going to put some gas and I'm going to buy a cup of coffee. Yo, and we arrived in the Newcastle bridge. Yeah, and we are here yesterday, if you remember. Pwede mag-tapping dito. Picture? Ito na, ito na.
Ganda ba yan? Malinaw ba yan?
Oh. And the sun is going to set down there on that side. And yeah, we've been here before. I don't know, I don't have much to say. Most of the people that I am seeing, they are like kind of jogging exercise. Less tourists. Inigo wants to go picnic. Wafer bites, iced tea.
Tinapay.
Sandwich.
Nagpipiso lang naman yung pag mahirap ka.
Ketchup. Toilet paper. Paracetamol.
Nasaan gulaman, no? Parang bulayo.
Yeah, it's a little bit of walk. Maybe 1 kilometer of walk. Going back to the car. Yeah. We eat down there. And going up is a little bit tiring for me. We are now in Charlestown. The time now is 5:40. Already dark, you see it. Yeah, people are yeah, going home, coming from work. And later on at around 6 o'clock, there will be less cars around here. Just we are already in the shopping mall, but most of the shop inside already closed. And by this time, only the grocery are open this time. There is Coles and Walmart, of course. Okay, we are here in Coles and I got this. This way we're going to save
Laki yan. Laki na ito. Ay, isa-isa gusto mo?
to watch movie in this horror parking lot. Yeah, no cars in here. Earl is still with us. You remember Earl before in the Blue Mountain? Okay, I got home. It is already 10 o'clock. 5 minutes to 10 o'clock. Yeah, the last time that I remember that I watched movie was the Avatar in Dubai. Yeah, that's the one that I remember. Yeah. Yeah, that's the one, that's the movie, the last movie that I remember. I don't know. In Dubai, that's a very long time ago. Anyway, it's okay, it's alright. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Already 2:30 when I left the hotel. Lachlan already, he was still there when I left. So today he extended more 30 minutes. He usually go home exactly 2 o'clock because he is an apprentice. And today I am free. Yeah, no one invited me to go somewhere. So I will be able to clean the house, edit some video, reply to some comments and messages. Yeah, and look and you will find me time after time. If you fall, I will catch you a bit. Doctor, we are not going to the town center today. We are going home straight. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Today I finished at already 2:15 when I sign out. I start at 5:30. I wake up at 4 o'clock. Yeah, my usual breakfast roster. There is a little bit of mess. You know, there's tiny droplets of water. I hope it is not going to be a heavy rain. Oh, these two vans, they are look the same. Maybe they are traveler and they know. Yeah, maybe they are group. They just in separate van. You take a piece of me with you every time you go away. Now the mist is becoming a sprinkler of water. It is going to be a heavy rain. And if I stop, then tell me to stop without you. I just can't stop loving you. Okay, we're home. And it's already 2:30. Yeah. I have so many laundry to do. But yeah, the weather is not really good. It is not going to dry if I do my laundry. I actually have my blanket outside. I washed it yesterday. Until now it's wet. Yeah, I still need to do the laundry. That's my apron and trouser. If I don't do that, my apron will not be good. Yeah, I still have one apron, but I don't like that one. And now I am preparing my meal. This one is the chicken marinated with something, I don't know. And one slice of pork. A leftover when John and Jordan was here. Yeah. And I asked them how they cook it. They said they just served it here and cook in the oven. And that is what I am going to do. If it is done by me, I don't do this. I'll do the quickest way to cook this. Yeah, cooking this in the oven, it will take time. But I will do that today. Oh, look at that. There is one really big cockatoo. Can see that? Yeah, he wants to eat some of the passion fruit. You see that cockatoo? Oh, he already took one. And there are the others are actually in there. And that passion fruit is not yet ripe. It's still maybe it's already ripe. Oh, he just threw it. Maybe he realized that it's not ripe yet.